Hello, this is my review of the MB03 Spring Airsoft Sniper Rifle that I bought from Airsplat for about $100. It's a good gun. I guess for the price it's a good gun. It says its range is about 250 feet. No, its range is about just 200. But it's okay. It's not really as accurate as I would like it to be. You can hit something up to like 100 feet, then at 175 feet it's like 1 out of every 3 shots will hit, and then at 250 feet you'll be lucky if you get anywhere near the target. But it's for the price it's a good gun. Here's the original scope. I put a regular rifle scope on it just because this rifle scope worked a lot better than the one they sent with me. And it's just a regular bolt action rifle. Here's the safety, fire, safety, fire, yeah. And they sent me this sling, which is basically horrifyingly useless because I bet if I even tugged on this it would snap loose right about there. Cheap metal anyways. So I just wrapped it around the gun because it's a little easier. And the hop-up system is right here. You slide it all the way to here for maximum hop-up, and then all the way down to here for no hop-up. It's got a nice ABS plastic stock all the way up here. It's actually really strong. I bet I could hit a tree with this and it wouldn't break. I'm not going to try that. And a nice, like, long barrel, 2 feet. And it's got this bottom rail right here. It does not come with a bipod, but it comes with a scope. And here's the magazine right here. Just push on that, and it just pops right out. And it's easy. You just push it in any way you like. Just push it in, but you have to make sure when you put it in that you hear a click. Oh shit! What did I do? And make sure there are no BBs clogging it. And you have to hear that click or else the BBs won't feed. And the bolt handle is pretty simple. Everyone knows how to use bolt action. Just put it on fire, or you can have it on safety and just pull it back all the way. You have to pull it back pretty far, and then just push it forward and push it down. It's actually after you shoot it for a while, it starts to hurt your arm because when you pull it back and this is against your shoulder, it gets really annoying. And then you just pull the trigger. Make sure it's not loaded because it's actually a really powerful gun and it will put a hole in your wall maybe. I would recommend like using .12 gram BBs for this gun because the heavier BBs don't go as far and they hurt a lot more if you get hit with them. And when you like sight the scope in and stuff, you can only use a certain type of BB. Like I sighted it in using the .12 gram BBs, so it works better with the .12 gram BBs, so I just keep the .12 gram BBs. And yeah, I wouldn't shoot this at someone who's about 10 feet away because it will break skin and it would hurt. Don't do that. That is also very mean. So overall, for the price, it's a good gun. It doesn't have the accuracy that you would think it would, but overall, for the price, it's a good gun. Thanks for watching. Adios. like I said, the gun's not accurate. But when it can go through a can and come out the other side, that means it's pretty powerful. And even though it's not accurate, I like the power. So, it's a good gun.